games are experiences, and how you play can be just as important as what you play. For too long, players have had to choose between the precision of a mouse or the familiarity of a controller, between the power of a PC and the comfort of the couch. But why shouldn't you get to have both? The Steam controller isn't just a gamepad. It's a passport that brings thousands of games previously only playable with a keyboard and mouse to the comfort of your couch. Using one-to-one positioning, the Steam controller can virtualize familiar controls like a trackball, a mouse, or a scroll wheel. You can also effortlessly type from the couch. We've tossed out hunting letters with a cursor and made surfing the web as easy as texting your friends. PC gaming is all about options, and that's why you can customize everything about your controller on a game-to-game basis. Don't have time to figure out the perfect layout on your own? Turn to the Steam community and download the control scheme that's right for you. Dive in and surf the web. Or hook up multiple Steam controllers and have your friends over for a night of fun. Are you looking to step up your competitive game? The dual-stage triggers of the Steam controller have both an analog pull and a digital switch. The grip buttons on the back mean you never have to take your thumbs off target again. And all of this is brought together with real-time haptic feedback delivered by twin-force reactors. Bring your favorite games, friends, and features to the living room with the Steam controller.